Sister Vicky, how are you doing?
I'm fine, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
How are you doing? I didn't see you in church on Sunday. Hope all is well.
All is well, sir. I traveled to Lagos to visit my family.
Hope you're fine?
They're fine, bless God.
So what can I do to help you?
Yeah, I brought my tithe since I was not around over the weekend so that I can drop it with a side.
Oh, fine. Let's have. God bless you.
Hey, I can't find my tithe. I kept it here. Oh my God. And I know what's going on, eh? That was why I decided to bring the tithe today. Hey, the devil is a liar. Does that mean hey, Jesus Christ? Hey, my tithe. I kept it here. I can't find my tithe. Yeah? Hey, where's my tithe? Now they can't find my tithe. What will I do? Eh? Get my tithe here, eh? Hey! Get up!
Let's get Jezebel, Delilah. Look at her. You can't even come when my wife is on the office. You are coming when she's just in the next room.